These are my new MINGALONDon women's denim shorts. So these are a super cute fade and ripped short. I've done them in kind of more of their acid wash style one, but I absolutely love the pocket placement of these as well as the rip placement. It does have belt loops as well if you're gonna wear a belt with them. They're super stretchy and I just cannot get over the color of them. So they pair up really nice with some white sneakers or any kind of shirt top that you would wear with regular jeans normally. But I love this for a summer look, whether you want to dress it up or dress it down. And the material itself is just super soft, 85% cotton, 10% polyester, and 5% elastane. And that elastane just makes these nice and stretchy. It's not going to be a stiff feeling jean. Plus then I feel like it's more form fitting as well. So you can see it really kind of fits in all the right places and makes it have a lot of great movement if you're planning on stretching or doing any kind of intense movements while you're wearing them, or maybe even long walks. Definitely love these and would recommend them. They do fit true to size. Definitely check them out.